I'm going to show you how to update your product data using Canoa's Catalog Pro. Head over to the navigation bar on the left and click on the Catalog Pro icon. There are two ways to update your product data. The first way is working directly in the Catalog Pro screen by clicking on each individual product to bring up the editable product card on the right here. We recommend this if you're looking to update 20 or fewer products. I always start by making sure I'm working in my own view. This is in case someone else from my team is working in Catalog Pro at the same time. So I'm going to head over to the right here, and you may edit any of the fields. I'm going to update this lead time to say 16 weeks. And this will automatically save to Catalog Pro. You don't have to click any additional buttons. And if your products are published to Canoa's public catalog, your products will automatically be updated publicly, and no additional steps are needed. If you are looking to work in a specific group of products, for instance, all of your sofas are now a 16-week lead time. I'm going to head over to my filters toolbar, look for sofas by either typing it in the search bar or looking for it under seating here. Now it's quicker for me to update all of the sofas here in Catalog Pro. So that is the first way. The second way to update larger groups of product data is by exporting a CSV from Catalog Pro, updating that data in any program like Excel, Google Sheets, or Airtable, and importing it back into Catalog Pro as a CSV. This bulk import is recommended for any updates over 20 products. So again, I'm going to start by making sure I'm in my own view. And I'm going to start by selecting the products I wish to update. Here, I'm going to update all of my products. So I'm going to click this box, and it selected all 30 products. I'm going to head over to the three dots on the right, like that, and click on Export. Now, you will get a little pop-up once the export is completed. It may take a few seconds. Now you can open your spreadsheet in your preferred program. I have mine open in a Google Sheet. I've updated the lead time for all of my products here. And I'm ready to download to a CSV so I can import back into Catalog Pro. Now there are a few important things to take note before you download to a CSV. First, you must have the product ID. That's this first column that I have highlighted in yellow. This is how Canoa recognizes each individual product. If you do not include the product ID, a new product will be created and your existing product will not be updated. Second, make sure you delete any existing image URLs or any existing tags. These are the only two fields that'll be duplicated if you import and update an existing product. You may add additional image URLs and replace these, same with the tags, to add additional images and tags, but you must delete the existing or they will duplicate. And third, you may delete all other fields that you are not updating. So because I am only updating the lead time, I'm going to delete all of my other fields. Now I'm ready for download. I'm going to download as a CSV, and that's saved. I'm going to head back to Catalog Pro. Head back to the three dots, click on Import, and select my file to import. Now make sure your fields that you're updating are selected. I have my product ID and the lead time, and hit Import. Proceed, and you will get a notification here on the right that the import is. You'll also receive an email letting you know that the update is complete. So now your products are updated in your private catalog and your public catalog.